Good morning, Honorable Sir, my seniors and juniors. Here it's me, our Isai Sir, Dr. of Israr Ahmed, studying class 8 in Radiant Central Children Academy. About my hobbies, I like to play chess, reading books and much more. My aim, I want to be a doctor. It's an honor to be given a chance to speak to you about COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic is a part of the worldwide pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019. Caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2. The coronavirus pandemic originated in the city of Wuhan. China has quickly spread to various countries with the number of cases having been reported to the worldwide. The first case of COVID-19 in India, which originated in China, was reported on 30 January 2020. Currently, India has the largest number of confirmed cases in Asia as of 12 June 2021. India has the second highest number of confirmed cases in the world after the United States with 29.3 million reported cases of COVID-19 infection and the third highest number of deaths after the United States and Brazil with 367,081 deaths. The first case of COVID-19 in India were reported in towns of Alappuzha, Thrissur, Kasaragod, all in the state of Kerala, among the 3 medical students who have returned from Wuhan. Lockdown were announced in Kerala on 22 of March and the rest of the country on 23 March. By mid-May, 5 countries accounted for around half of all reported cases in the country. Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Chennai and Thane. On 10 June, India's recoveries exceeded active cases for the first time. Infection rate started to drop in the month of September along with the new and active cases. Daily cases peaked mid-September over 90,000 per day, dropping below to 15,000 in May 2021. A second wave was beginning in March 2021 was much larger than the first wave. With the shortages of vaccines, hospital beds, oxygen cylinders and other medicines in the parts of the country. By late April 2021, India led the world into new and active cases. On 30 April 2021, India became the first country to report 400,000 cases in a 24-hour period. Health experts believe that India's figure going to under-report due to several factors. India began its vaccination program on 16 January 2021 and by April 2021 was administering 3 million doses in a day. The India authorized the British Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine or Covishield, the Indian BBV152 Covaxin vaccine, the Russia Sputnik V vaccine for the emergency use. By 25 May, as of 25 May 2021, had administered 200 million vaccine doses. The best way to prevent yourself and slow down the transition is to well informed about COVID-19 virus, that is how the disease is causes and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from COVID-19 by washing your hands using alcohol-based